And the last four problems in this section are word problems, and you'll have one in the practice quiz as well that looks like this. So the key thing, and some students struggle with word problems, but you're going to have to set up a system of equations. They give you enough information to come up with two equations. You're going to want to make sure you define your variable, and then we're going to use either elimination or substitution to solve, and most of these are going to use elimination, but you can actually use either one. So if you look at 37, it says Julio's school is selling tickets to the annual dance competition. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 2 adult tickets and 4 child tickets for a total of $36. Then the next sentence says the school took $141 on the second day by selling 11 adult tickets and 3 child tickets. Find the price of an adult ticket and the price of a child ticket. So that's my two variables, and I'm going to define them above the problem. I'm going to let X be my price, so I'm just going to put a dollar sign for an adult ticket, and I'm going to let Y be my price or dollar amount for a child ticket. Okay? So now we're going to want to set up a system of equations. Okay? And if you look at on the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 2 adult tickets. And I'm going to write this a little bit narrower here just so we have a little more room. Sold 2 adult tickets, 4 child tickets for a total of $36. So if I wanted to find out how much for those 2 adult tickets, I would take 2 times the price of an adult ticket, which is X. Okay, then I'm going to add on what it would cost for 4 children's tickets, which is 4 tickets times the cost of a child ticket, or children's ticket, which is 4Y, and that has to equal 36. There's the first equation in my system from that sentence right there. Next one, the school took in 141 on the second day with 11 adult and 3 child. So then I'm going to go 11 times how many adult, or times my cost of an adult ticket, plus 3 times my cost of a child ticket. Okay, and that has to equal 141. So there's my system of equations that I'm going to solve. And notice I have everything lined up, but I'm going to have to do some multiplying here. Okay, I am going to choose to eliminate y's here. I see I have a 4y on the top equation and a 3y there. I want one of them to be 12y, the other to be negative 12y. So I'm going to multiply the top one by 3. I'm going to multiply the bottom one by 4. So if I do that, distribute your 3 to the whole equation, I get 6x plus 12y is equal to 3 times 36, which is 108. And on the bottom, I go 4 times 11x, which is 44x. 4 times 3y. I'm sorry, we want to multiply by negative 4 because I want to get negative 12. So that's going to make this negative 44x. And then we are going to get negative 12y here. Okay, and then negative 4 times 141 is negative 564. Negative 564. So now I'm going to draw my line. My y's eliminate. 6x and negative 44x is negative 38x. I'm actually going to come down below this next problem. So negative 38x. My y's are gone, equals, and if I do 108 and I add negative 564, I get negative 456. And then I'm going to divide by negative 38, divide by negative 38. So for x, when I divide negative 456 by negative 38, I get 12. So what did I just find? If I go back up to where I identified my variables, x is 12, so I know the cost of an adult ticket was $12. I got to go back and plug 12 in for x. So I'm going to do that into 2x plus 4y equals 36. And I'm going to put 12 in for x right there. So if I do that, I get 24 plus 4y is equal to 36. Subtract my 24. So 4y is 12, divide by 4, so y is 3, and y was the cost of a child ticket, so the cost of a child ticket was $3. Now with word problems, I would just identify and leave your answers like this. You don't need to write them as an ordered pair.